Guys, just take in this beautiful view. Guys, I'm sweating. Good morning. You're not easy, you know? You're not easy.
Boy, if you don't get...
Hi, good morning. Thank you, thank you. All right. Okay, I soon come back. Yeah. Listen, let me continue my walk here. Soon come back. Morning. Ooh, this is the private beach. Guys, there's a volleyball net. I'm hyped. I need a ball. And get me and my cousin to play. I'll teach her how to play volleyball.
Yeah, man, bad place. Be a evil place.
And just a little company. I would never want to swim right there and make put on my stuff. You mad? What the fuck? Yo, something just crawl inside there, you know? What is it? No, man.
So you know why not then look a hole here? Look a hole then. Why not?
Crab? Oh. Huh? Afraid of what? What, you get bad feelings? Man, you're good. Not gonna make nothing happen to you. Oh God, I think this is the security. Good night.
Hey, good night, lady.
No. Yo, this is a long walk, you know. Ooh, crab. The point is the last light. But the last light looks so scary, you know. Like it come like I don't want to go over there. Look, crab by your ankle. Crab by your ankle. I'm joking. Want to wash off. Eh? I know, right? I feel like one security guard. I feel like security. Everybody just a look far away. I feel out of place. Boy. Oh God, old white men just looking at me, Jesus Christ, and them with their women, you know. Okay.
You're soon to be at. You don't even.
First you ever gone night beach? Yo, I'm sweating.
For you?
Yeah,
Oh, come.
me tired. I don't see no security guard, but then I'm kind of scared from this point. Me and you can never be silent when we're walking. Me and you can never be silent when we're walking. Click clap, that's all you hear from me. Jesus Christ, they know why this feel like a dead end.
Good night, ladies. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. A bit tired. About to go home.
Okay.
Okay, so how far are we to the point?
Where you guys going?
To the point
Point?
where I stay.
Okay. I'm gonna open the gate here and let you guys.
Thank you.
Thank
So,
you.
I'm not trying to secure your cross, guys. 2 gates.
There's 2 gates?
Yeah, I have one. They have one.
Oh,
So I'm gonna beg them to open it.
yeah, because they told us we can walk through this way.
Yeah, these gates close at 6.
Oh,
Yeah, so if you're gonna walk through, you have to walk through. Security. Give me a second, okay?
oh, this is the gate. All right. You are now exiting Sandoz Negril. Activities beyond this point are solely at your risk.
So that you're.
Okay.
Well, for me, I would be your guys' security for the night.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank
I
you.
would be anywhere you guys going.
Really no.
Come here a second. So let these guys chew. These beautiful ladies chew.
Thank you. The
Gonna go
point.
across the point.
Come, Rick, come. There's come here. Point, come, they get there.
Not walking around because
Yeah, they walk through here, man.
yeah. Thank you. You too.
Alright,
Good night. Thank you.
how old is she?
She's 16, 17, and I'm 24.
Yeah, but you know, say,
If
only
you go there
18
for-
years and over.
Why, she
Yeah,
can't come to-
them told us when we were down there, and I said, well, I didn't know that because no one
They
really.
let
So
them
if you
out,
go-
but he can't go too. Because if you listen him and then see she, then what's your problem?
Because then say 18 years
No,
and
no
over.
children,
too.
because they listen
Over
him
this
naked
hotel
and
there
sitting.
have naked people
Yeah,
on the beach.
I've been here before.
Yeah, but she's not allowed on the property.
So
can't
we have
touch
to go
him.
back
Yeah,
all
they
the
have
way
to
down?
Go back. Make them go back because she at 18 and anybody can have the fancy.
Because them say to us it shouldn't be a problem. That's why we walk this way.
Yeah, you see, if
I
you walk
thought.
on the standard side is okay because that is not nude.
Mhm.
I know that,
But
you know,
here, so
I
it's
see
nude.
you a little one, you know. Well, go on and climb
No,
down.
man,
pan-
can't take your risk right
Take
up
your
on
risk
night.
and go on down on
Because
the
on
beach.
night.
I top the be my hand drive out, yeah. So me have to give down to the world's boss. Every time I touch a plane, no one first class. No pussy, they don't say me not go reach nowhere. No easily me taking up them gauges. No man, no heavy got a you title. Patience are the key for survival. Babylon, anything me say is final. 32 clipping at the 45 girl. I me know why the pussy them hate me. Got me fuck them sister and them wife and them side girl. No make no boy be